How's it going, everyone? Today we'll be going over our Marine Carbine Cube lights. So we offer these lights in two models here. So we have our Marine Carbine Cube and our Marine Carbine Cube Mini. Now on both of these lights, you'll get your light with your power cable and your weatherproof connection included. And then you'll also have your mounting brackets, which I went ahead and pre-attached. Now on our Marine Carbine Cube Mini, you'll have four 5-watt ORSAM LEDs pushing 1,920 lumens, and on our Marine Carbine Cube Light, you'll have four 10-watt ORSAM LEDs pushing 4,800 lumens. So let's go ahead and get these lights hooked up and go over the output. So I went ahead and ran my lights to power here. Now here on our Marine Carbine Cube Mini, you'll have four 5-watt ORSAM LEDs and you'll have an 8-degree spotlight output. And then here on our Marine Carbine Cube Light, you'll have that same 8-degree spotlight output, but again, you'll have four 10-watt ORSAM LEDs. So that covers our Marine Carbine Cube Lights. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.